Hello guys, my name is Saul Robles with Kellner Home Improvement. I live in Stratford, Connecticut. The reason I'm doing this video is because I've been using Smart Seed digital marketing company for the past three years, about 3.5 years. My account partner is Alex, and I just can't say enough about these guys. These guys were on time. I was struggling with my digital marketing, and contractors that trying to find a good digital marketing company is very hard, and I went through all of them. I went through a lot of them, spent a lot of money, and they still bother me, even though I have SmartSeed now with Will Vera and Alex. So they're great. They get you a lot of impressions. They get you a lot of calls. I average, 12 to 15, 16 calls a month, and they have quality calls, so, and they also have a really good, what do you call that thing? I always have trouble with that. It's where you ask for a review. Look me up, Kellner Home Improvement, Kellner Roofing in Stratford, Connecticut. Look how many reviews I got and what they say about me. And that has a lot to do with Will Vera and SmartSeed. So, if definitely check them out. Do your due diligence. And but if you don't, shame on you, because I think they're a great company, and I'm really happy with them. So, all right, thanks, bye.